Welcome back. For today's tutorial, I was inspired by a filter on TikTok called Jelly Look, and it makes like this part of your eye look kind of big, and the lips are kind of pouty and stuff. Anyhow, I wanted to do a more gothic but still using color type of look inspired by that filter. So this is a look we're going to recreate, and I used the Nightmare Before Christmas palette from ColourPop Cosmetics. So I'm using this white, this gray, this one right here, this dark gray, the hot pink, this kind of a sort of purple mulberry, I want to say mulberry, and this black right here. So we're going to be using quite a few colors here. Two blending brushes, a tiny little pointed detail brush, angled eyeliner brush, and a small shadow brush, a concealer, felt tip black eyeliner, mascara, mocha lip liner or any natural tone lip liner, lip oil or lip gloss. Okay, we're going to start with the concealer. I really felt like doing something more artistic and gothic, and I don't know, just something less typical of what people would wear. So I'm applying the concealer all over the eyelid and underneath the eye as well, covering this whole area right here. Also, the contacts I'm using for this look are called JK Gray from TTDEYE. I'm going to start with the light gray here and this blending brush. Bring it in the inner corner of the eye towards the bridge of the nose. I love this palette. I've been wanting to use it. And I think this look is perfect. Kind of goes with the feel of the palette. So applying this gray all over and concentrated in here and out here and up and a little bit on the center. And there's a little bird outside singing his spring song, I guess. They're like, spring is coming. Next, I'm going into this hot pink right here with a small eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna start by applying it on the inner corner and underneath. And you want to squint your eye so you can go under here. So yes, this is not going to be a typical look. Working it up as well. Going out, and when you see this part right here of your eye that gets kind of fat when you go like this, when you squint your eyes, that's where you want to apply it. Now the outer corner, I'm bringing it down and sweeping the color. Also, outer corner, we're just gonna lightly bring it up. And we're gonna blend. With the same blending brush, we're going to go into the dark gray, this one right here, and just grab a little bit and apply it in the inner corner and sweeping it. Same for the outer corner right here. next to that pink and kind of blending it with the pink as well. This gray is going to add just a little bit of darkness. With a small shadow brush, we're going to go into this color right here, this one, and squinting again, I'm going to go underneath the line, or tracing that line that your eye makes, and then sweeping this color down. Into the hot pink and applying again right here and there. Re-emphasizing up here where we put the gray. If you lay your brush like this and sweep, helps to blend the color out. Now we're going to go into the mulberry, or more purple tone eyeshadow, applying that over the pink. And down and up. I'm going to sweep more of this color up, just with whatever's left on the brush, and up here, and then down towards the bridge of the nose. You see that? It creates that nice, I haven't slept in 400 years look. But it's very gothic and dark and awesome. And same mulberry tone, we're going to mix it here with the pink. And another thing I did is I got some of the pink, the same brush, and applied it a little bit like an eyeliner, just on this part. And the blending brush, I'm gonna blend. And blend down here as well. Take this little detail brush into the shimmery white, and we're going to squint and trace or highlight right in here. And as you sweep the color on, it becomes a little less bold. Just like that. Now taking the eyeliner brush into the black that has the glitter on it and applying it as eyeliner. We are staying close to the lash line. Just go straight down like that. And in here. And inner corner. Okay, now we're going to go underneath and just on the outer corner and then sweep down. back into the darker gray with the eyeshadow brush. Darken a little bit in here. I'm gonna line the eyeliner again and just darken it, staying close to the lash line. Just want to darken it to make sure that it's dark on the lash line. Mascara. Also wanted to concentrate on darkening the very tips of the eyelashes and the bottom lashes as well. Lip liner, and I'm gonna overdraw a little bit on the top, just right here. And then I'm just gonna follow along my lip and filling it in. Applying the lip oil over it. And that is the look. If you like this kind of weird gothic type of look with some color, well, I hope you do recreate it and have fun. If it looks like crap, then just wash it off. But yeah, don't forget to give my video the thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed for more looks to come in the future. And as always, rock on. Sleep. Who needs sleep? Sleep is for the dead.